Alright guys, so if you were wondering just how serious things are getting, I'm wearing a camera on my head. And I am unboxing some new equipment for me right now. This is an Asus VivoBook S410 to help me edit while I'm on the road, because honestly I spend more time in my car than in front of my computer. So gonna open this bad boy up. So got this from Amazon, as you might be able to tell from the box. And what's nice about this was that I didn't have to pay for the whole thing up front, which is pretty nice. And I am definitely a fan of Asus products, because I did have one before this, but I did get rid of it. And the one that I had was just huge, so it was kind of annoying to carry around. Let's see if I know how to cut tape. There we go. Oh, okay, it's going like this. In search of incredible. So obviously the laptop's right here, but you always gotta start with the small stuff, right? Tiny, tiny, tiny little power cord. Some other stuff that nobody cares about. Is there anything else? No, that's it. Simple. Okay, so a lot of people probably don't know this about me, but I do work in IT, and I'm actually more of a Linux person than a Windows person, but this does have Windows 10 on it, and that's probably what I'm going to stick on it with. You know, I don't really need to change. It's what I paid for anyways. Let's power this thing up, man. Oh no, it's dead. I need a power outlet. So the thing with this laptop is it does have the dedicated graphics card. It has the MX 150, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the mobile version of the GTX 1050. There's an outlet here next to the dog food. Nice. Alright, well, I'm just gonna let this sit here. Oh, there it goes. Cool. So yeah, guys, this isn't really a tech channel. I don't really want to make any tech stuff here. So yeah, this is, you know, if anyone's interested in seeing more on this, let me know. But that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna be setting it up now, and catch up back with you later. I'm gonna get this thing off my head. Alright, so it's working. If anybody's wondering what the specs were on this thing, Windows 10 Home, 8 gigs of RAM. Also, I'm not sure why the graphics card is not showing here. I usually thought that it did, but it is showing up in the device manager here. So it's the GeForce MX 150. And right now, I'm just installing some of my apps that I always use. I'm not sure what this is. Asus Hello, I don't really care about you. I'm probably going to uninstall you. Okay, I think it just froze up a little bit. Yeah, I'm definitely going to uninstall whatever that was. Yeah, so I just installed Chrome, and right now I am installing VSDC. If anyone was ever wondering what I use to edit videos, that's what I use. It's free, it's open source, and it's free. So what other reason do you need to use it? But yeah, guys, I'm just going to finish this setup here. Like I said, this is definitely going to help me, just because I'm going to be able to actually edit videos while I'm in the car. Not driving, but, you know, just waiting in the car to do things, like I find myself doing very often. So, yeah. I'm going to post a link to this thing in the description if anybody's interested. I'll also post a link for VSDC, but link's right here. And yeah, I'm just going to finish getting this thing set up. And if anyone has any questions, let me know. Peace.